How to fix window is not defined error in Next.js for conditional rendering. When developing with Next.js, a common error you might encounter is the window is not defined error. This error occurs because Next.js performs server-side rendering, SSR. Unlike client-side rendering, SSR does not have access to browser-specific objects like window. Understanding how to deal with this issue is crucial for any developer using Next.js. In this guide, we will guide you through solving this problem, especially when it comes to conditional rendering. Why does this error occur? Next.js uses both server-side and client-side rendering. However, when rendering server-side, Node.js does not have access to the window object, which is a part of the browser's API. When your code tries to access the window object during SSR, it will throw a reference error because window is undefined in the Node.js environment. When do you encounter this error? You often encounter this error during conditional rendering. For instance, you might want to execute a piece of code only if the user is on the client side. How to fix the error? Here are some approaches to fix the window is not defined error. Approach 1: Conditional rendering. Wrap the code that uses the window object inside a condition that checks if the code is running in a client environment. Approach 2: Use of useEffect hook. With React's useEffect hook, you can make sure that the code that interacts with the window object runs only after the component has mounted on the client side. Approach 3: Dynamic import with SSR, false. Sometimes, you may want to import a module that depends on the window object. You can use Next.js's dynamic import feature with SSR, false. Conclusion. Handling the window is not defined error in Next.js involves ensuring that code interacting with the window object runs only on the client side. Whether you use conditional rendering, the useEffect hook, or dynamic imports, understanding these methods will help you create more robust and error-free Next.js applications. Have you encountered this error before? How did you solve it? Share your experiences and solutions in the comments.